CresCine's mission is to make EU film more competitive, and our research shows that film producer training is both expensive and logistically challenging to attend, especially if it's on-site and across multiple days. The innovative training that we will provide in this workshop is adapted from proven methods with entrepreneurs. Project participants report the unique exercises focusing on project strategy, pitching, and marketing help them view their project in new ways. And furthermore, challenges and supports them to focus on the things that really will affect their film project's chance of success.
As you join us online, your day will be split into 6 45-minute blocks. Each block will start with a 10-minute introduction to the task, after which you will work on your own project in a collaborative environment. Here are just two of the many producers who've attended the workshop sharing their experiences.
Bringing a group of filmmakers together and seeing, I suppose, what people were working on and the level that people were working at was encouraging in itself, to know that you're sort of not on your own, that there is support within the community.
Attending the workshop has been extremely fruitful for me. The approach is very effective and practical. The examples given are very good, but right from the beginning, you are able to work on your own project. And it's also very constructive to be able to share space and time with other producers.
Click on the link below and secure your place in these limited time workshops.